Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, we have to open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter, and since you can see the keyboard, we can tap on this three dots icon because we have to find the settings. So let's tap on it, and the settings are right here, so let's enter. And at the very first position we've got languages, so simply tap on it, and as you can see here we've got our languages. So here we've got the languages which have been previously set on the keyboard. Under it we've got also the pre-installed languages, so from them we can choose and they will be immediately applied. And under it we've got all languages, so here we will also have some languages which are not installed on this device, so you will have to download it. But let me pick something from the pre-installed ones, and let me find the one which is, I would say, a little bit different than the English alphabet. So let me pick Greek, for example. Let's tap on it. So the same situation, if you find the language you'd like to use, just tap on it, right? So here we've got the preview of the keyboard, and if you are ready, just tap on the stick icon, and now we can go back to the keyboard. Let's tap on this area, and as you can see here we can change the language. So here we've got the Greek one, here we've got the English one, so this is how it works. What's more, we can change the language by swiping on the spacebar. As you can see on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So after tapping on it and swiping, I can easily switch to the Greek one. So now I can just, type in Greek, and now I can type in English, so it's a quite cool option. So actually that's all. This is how to add the new language to the keyboard, and now let's check how to remove it, because for some reason you do not have to use two different languages there. So let's enter the settings again. Let's enter the languages and check how it will work here. So as you can see in your languages, so as I said, which are applied to our keyboard, we can find the language we like to remove, we like to turn off, and just tap on the switcher on it. At least try. And as you can see, from now on it is inactive, but still we've got the Greek on this list, and you can remove it from this list just by tapping on it and holding and tapping on delete. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. So after getting back to our keyboard, we can check that actually we cannot do anything with our spacebar, only just use the space, and it means that we can only type in English. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.